Hello and welcome to another section in further mathematics. Today we'll be talking on the topic correlation between variables. You know, in our last lesson we discussed this, but we made use of the rank correlation coefficient that goes this way over n in bracket n square minus 1. Today we'll be talking on the Pearson's distribution, Pearson's correlation equation or correlation coefficient. Now the formula for the Pearson's relation coefficient is n summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y all over the square root of, you have your n, summation of x square minus summation of x all squared. You close your bracket, your major bracket, with n summation of y square minus summation of y all square. This is the formula for the Pearson's correlation coefficient. Now let's just do justice to it the way we did to the Spearman's rank correlation. With this, let's substitute our values. Let's just write this, take this to be x, y. We'll be considering only those values that we need. We need xy from here. Which other value is needed? We also need x square and we need y square. Let's randomly fill in values. We can use 2, 4, 7, 9, 11. Remember the last line is usually for our total. Y, let's apply 1, 2, 3, 7 and 9. xy, 2 times 1 is 2, 4 2 is 8, 7 times 3 is 21, 9 times 7 is 63, and 11 times this is 99. Now let's go into looking for our x square. This is our x. 2 square is 4, 4 square here is 16, 7 square is 49, 9 square is 81, and 11 square is 121. Then let's do that of y. This is a value of y. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 49, and here we have 81. Let's get the total of each. We'll use a line to demarcate it so that we know that this point is our total. We are getting our total at this point. So here we have 144. Here we have 271. 271. Here we have 193. Here we have 22. And here we have 33. Now let's apply it into this equation. We have the rank coefficient. We have our n is how many? How many items are we dealing with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start putting it. We have 5 in bracket. Summation of xy is 193 minus summation of x is 33 times summation of y 22 all over the square root of our n is 5. Then summation of x square here is 271 minus 33 all squared. Same here is 5. Summation of y square is 144 144. We now have minus this square is 22 all squared. Then you close our block. So this is equal to, we now have this 965 minus 726 all over the square root of 266 times 236, which is equal to 239 over 250.55, and our final answer is 0.9539. So the value of our R is 0.9539. Now this shows a very positive relationship between X and Y. That's to say, if you plot this graph, you have a graph of this nature. These are X axis and these are Y axis. Your graph 0.9 is a very positive relationship. Your graph will be of this type. You have a graph of this nature if this is a zero arc. So if you plot the graph of X against Y, you have a straight and a positive line, which will always be a straight, which should be a straight line graph. So I'll say thank you for joining us in this section. To refresh your memory on what we've just discussed, please take the test that will appear on your screen. Do well to use the lesson notes on this platform for a better information on the topic we've just discussed. Feel free to drop your questions, your comments, your contributions on the subject matter, and I'll be expecting to see you in our next lesson. Thank you.